Marvel Comics has made no secret that the Marvel Universe will be ending, and true to its word, in today's Secret Wars #1 by writer Jonathan Hickman and artist Esad Ribic, it did indeed meet its end. Now that's the what, but if you don't want to know the how, quit watching now to avoid spoilers. So the issue began as Doctor Doom, accompanied by Doctor Strange and the Molecule Man, confronted the Beyonders to stop them from destroying reality, but the outcome of their meeting is left up in the air. We then witness the Ultimate Universe invading the Marvel Universe in an attempt to destroy it. Due to a long and complicated plot that's been unfolding for years, the two parallel universes were on a collision course, so if one Earth were to survive, the other would have to go. Some of the highlights from the ensuing battle include Colossus hurling Hulk through the air, Cyclops hatching a Phoenix egg to become the Phoenix, a fleet of Ultimate Nick Fury's helicarriers bombing New York City, and Drax using his chest-mounted missile launcher. There's also a darkly humorous scene where the Kingpin is hosting a supervillain party to watch the battle over drinks, but Punisher shows up and delivers one of his best scenes ever. Meanwhile, a special life raft ship designed to survive the end of the universe is launched into space, piloted by Mr. Fantastic and Black Panther, with the rest of the Fantastic Four and Future Foundation inside. As the two worlds began to collide, they activate a teleportation device to transport certain heroes aboard to safety: Cyclops, Star-Lord, Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, and the female Thor. However, several heroes died in the chaos. Rocket Raccoon was shot in the battle on Earth, while Invisible Woman, Thing, Human Torch, and the FF children perished when their part of the spaceship broke off. Then came the big moment when the Marvel Use Earth and the Ultimate Use Earth smashed together, resulting in a white flash and the destruction of both universes. Thanks to advanced marketing, we already know that a new battle world will be formed from the shattered world of the multiverse, and that will be the setting of Secret Wars. But is the final image in the comic hinting that Doom has something to do with its creation? The second of Secret Wars 8 issues comes out next week, so we'll find out soon enough. For all the latest superhero news, stick with IGN.